So sit with your copy. I hope that everyone has written the answer. I'm going to show you the answer. If you have missed it, right now you complete it. I hope that right now you are able to see the screen. This where you fill in the blanks. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Complete it. Complete it. Everyone complete it.
Ma'am?
And from today onwards, I have already given you mental maths homework for two pages mental maths homework. Okay. So everyone, please complete it as well. Complete this thing first, this page first, then only I will go to the book. If it is done, raise your hand. If it is done, raise your hand. Only one of your friend has raised their hand. So most of the question answers, Aryan, write fast, very fast. If it is done, we will be moving to other part, means on the next from the next part. Giving you last 5 minutes, within that complete it. Okay, I'm just going to stop the share. Dance, Nito, done. If no, just nod your head. Okay, okay, Aratrika, fast, fast. This is the yesterday's question you don't have written, you not have written. Do it fast. Very fast, you need to do it. Done? Is it done? Otherwise, I will be sleeping after some time if you are not able to complete it right now. Okay, mostly so you all have done. So I'm just stopping the share. Who has not done, do it from the study material. Okay. Next here, I am just going to do from the next exercise. Sorry, not next exercise, means next page of the book. Okay. So here, just wait. Let me open the book. So here from this keyboard we will start. The keyboard is also an input device. We all know that anything sometimes while I'm typing on the on here I am just using the keyboard. You all are understanding this thing. So that is why it is known as input device. It is used to type or enter data in the computer. It looks like typewriter. The device is made up of different types. So here nothing is else. I'm just clearing this and I'm just going to the next page. Keys. It also includes shortcut keys that enable us to carry out certain tasks more easily and quickly. And I hope that you are remembering that for saving any files in our documents, we are doing what? We are just pressing control. We are just pressing control and control plus S over here, right? So usually a keyboard has something between 104 to 110 keys. Just mark this line: 104 to 110 keys. In addition to the typing keys, the keyboard also has a numeric keypad. Page number is 44, Priyam. Arad is not there in the class. What is going on? Next is what is written through which you can input numbers. It has control keys like home, page up, page down, insert, delete, end, control, etc. Alternate and escape that let you carry out this simple task with just one click. Next is we will come in the alphabet keys. What happened? Taskim? What happened? Why you are using phone, laptop, everything all together? Pay attention to the class. Anything you want to say? Unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I cannot screenshot on my computer.
You cannot screenshot my computer. Sit with your book, mark with it with the pencil right now. Okay, in the keyboard. Okay, first you take your book, sit with a pencil. After that, I am just telling you the shortcut keys of screenshot on the laptop. Now the screen see your keyboard. Windows one, Windows key you can see like the Windows button on the last row, yes, and on the top row means where the ESC key is there. Go from the left to right beside F12 key. Beside F12 key, you can see PRTSC. Yes. Now keep two finger on these two. Keep two finger on these two keys. Okay. Now exactly press both the keys together. Exactly press both the keys together. Can you see your screen has been blinked? Okay, now you have to go to the screenshot folder in your this PC option. Okay, there you will able to see the screenshots. Okay, at right now you pay attention to the class, mark your book with pencil. Now alphabets key is A to Z, but we all know that our keyboard is just giving like that, means the alphabets are writing like that. That is why our keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, since the first five letter is QWERTY. Yes, what happened, Taskin? Mute yourself. The keys are, however, not exactly in alphabetical order. Already I told you, not exactly in alphabetical order. The keys are arranged in QWERTY arrangement. Already this thing also told you. You can type small as well as capital case letter using alphabet keys. Some special characters nearby alphabet keys are brackets, square brackets, front slash, quotes, double quotes, comma, full stop, etc. Only you will remember that our keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, nothing else you have to remember. Next here we are just going to the numeric key. Numeric key 0. Numeric means number. From the number the numeric word has been derived. So it is known as numeric key. The digits are 1 2 the 1 2 3 5, like 0 is also there, and some special characters you can see along with the numbers. So if you are using your laptop, you just go through the go to the second row of your keys. Have you gone all? So on the second row of the keys, you can see each keys is written, means two things are there. One special characters and one numbers are there. Okay. So here you can see that on pressing the shift key and this number key simultaneously, like the way right now I told Taskin that hold this two key by your two fingers, by your two hands, and press it together. That is called simultaneously, মানে একসাথে দুটো কি কে প্রেস করছি যখন। Okay, the special characters are displayed on the screen. For example, the character hash on the screen, press shift key and digit key 3 simultaneously. Just mark up to this line, read this page, only then we will go to the next page. Only then we will go to the next page. Any question or any doubts are there? Okay, just wait. Yes, Mahavin, unmute. I'm just going to lower your hand. If you are having any doubt, please raise your hand. Yes, Shaptaparna.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I am not understanding the numeric keys.
Numeric means number keys, means 1, 2, 3, 4. These all keys are known as numeric keys. Okay, now in the computer with the numeric keys, you all will be seeing that there are few other symbols like at the rate, hash, exclamatory marks, first bracket, and sign. Okay, percentage sign. So these signs we can use with the help of shift. Okay, so shift and that key we have to press
And
together.
plus also. Ma'am, plus and oblique also.
Yes, yes, yes. Everything you will be able to see it from there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, dollar.
Yes, dollar sign is there. Yes, there with the 4.
Percent also. No?
Yes, percentage also. Next, Aratrika, you
Now I am not out. Ma'am,
yes, Aratrika.
translation QUOTS quotes. What for use?
What?
Front slash for what for use?
Front slash and backslash is generally used with used for separator or to write the mathematics. This kind of use are there. Okay.
QUOTS in the next word. Front slash.
Quotes are suppose you are typing a storybook. Okay, so someone is saying like I ate rice. Okay, so that thing you, in the English you are quoting na, that is called quote, the inverted comma. Okay, upper inverted comma or something like that. Or if you are writing your school names like St. Xavier's Public School, that time how you are able to write it? You are able to write it with the help of what can I say? With the help of the inverted comma. So these things are known as quotes. Double quotes is also I told, comma also I told, and full stop the you know. Okay, any more doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously. Simultaneously meaning I told, simultaneously means two keys you have to press all together, like the way you have heard, I think, while I was giving instruction to your friend Taskin, that time what I was telling him, that you have to hold the Windows key and PRT screen by your two finger, and you have to press it together. So this is called actually simultaneously, একই সাথে. Okay, anything else?
What is the meaning of QUOT?
QWERTY doesn't having meaning since your keyboard, see your keyboard, Aratrika, your keyboard is like QWERTY, QWERTY. Okay, it's written like that. That's why your keyboards are known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay.
Ma'am, you muted. Please say again. Ma'am.
Yes, I'm not muted. Hello.
When you say the QWERTY, you're muted.
Why by mistake then it has happened. Okay, QWERTY means okay, QWERTY means you here I can say like that if our keyboard is like that see your keyboard is written like QWERTY. Okay, QWERTY, and after that others alphabets are there, that is why it's known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, that don't have any particular meaning.
Okay, ma'am. I
Okay.
have no any.
Okay.
I will see.
Okay. So I hope that no more question is there. Audrija, Shabrit and Serene, I hope that every questions I have covered. So read this part up to this. If you are having doubt in the tomorrow's class, I will just come back and I will just say your doubt. Okay. I'm just ending this class over here.